GETTYUkip is facing bankruptcy after it was asked to pay for the expenses of Jane Collins' legal case. The party has been told to fork out for the expenses of the defamation case brought by Labour MPs Sarah Champion, Sir Kevin Barron and John Healey after UKIP MEP Jane Collins accused them of ignoring child sexual abuse in Rotherham. UKIP first became involved in the case by covering Ms Collins' costs, but Mr Justice Warby ruled that the party's involvement grew to the point that UKIP took a deliberate, informed and calculated decision, for reasons of party political advantage, to ensure that the case was not settled before the general election. The judge explained that the party may have prevented a smoother settlement of the case, making the legal cost rise. The hefty bill, set by Mr Justice Warby, comprehends the costs accrued between March and June 2015 and the costs from the assessment hearing. Ms Collins is also facing a bill for costs and damaging amounting to more than £600,000. UKIP can either appeal or the party must find the cash in the next fortnight. A statement released on behalf of the Labour MPs called the ruling right. Getty Sarah Champion, who won the Rotherham seat in 2015, is one of the Labour MPs involved in the case. Said UKIP's actions behind the scenes forced the costs of this case to soar and compounded the damage from Jane Collins' unfounded and hurtful allegations. This deliberate strategy hugely increased the legal costs, and it is right that UKIP are today held liable for a large share of these costs. UKIP used the unfounded allegations by Jane Collins for political advantage. At the highest level, UKIP knew Jane Collins' case was hopeless, but blocked any settlement in our favour before the 2015 general election because they believed it would win them votes. Gerald Shamesh, the MP's lawyer, said, "The MPs have been through nearly 4 years of litigation. Ms Collins is facing a bill for costs and damaging amounting to more than £600,000. UKIP has to pay £175,000. The party has put the MPs through misery, and if the result of that is that UKIP no longer exists, then UKIP no longer exists." UKIP has been contacted for a comment. The legal bill is the latest in a series of problems UKIP has faced since Nigel Farage resigned as a leader after the EU referendum. Henry Bolton resigned as the party's leader last month following a vote of no confidence sparked after his former partner sent racist messages about Meghan Markle. Kevin Barron is one of the MPs who accused Ms Collins of ignoring child sexual abuse in Rotherham. The date of the new leadership election is still pending. Paying the legal bill could leave UKIP unable to field candidates in the upcoming local election taking place in May. The parties running have time until April 6 to put forward their candidates' nominations.